Morning, a little windy out. Hope you can hear me. What we're doing is we're packing the corn stalks and the beans in, smashing them down. Got the old 1086 with the it's a packer mulcher, double set. We'll just give you a little ride, show you what we're doing. And here we go. Smashing these stalks down makes it a lot easier to cut these beans in the fall. It helps this trash degrade, leaves a nice mat. If we get any moisture, it'll help keep it from evaporating. So there you go, there's the old packer. That's what we're doing. There's where we've been. There's where we're going. You can see the marks where we no-tilled the beans into these corn stalks. Here's a trench, a new trench, water trench we're going over. So have a nice day.